Hi, I'm Chris.
I'm Sebastian.
And I'm Oliver.
RealWear is behind some of the world's largest deployments of industrial AR computing. And now, RealWear has just got stronger. We are proud to announce the acquisition of Almer Technologies.
Almer's innovative approach for frontline workers has enabled us to deliver hardware and software solutions that are the most intuitive and most effortless to use. Together with RealWear, we will be able to make our solutions accessible to workers all around the world.
And that's not all. We've also secured further commitment and backing from TeamViewer, a long-standing partner and the top software company in the enterprise AR industry.
We believe that investing in RealWear and backing their growth is a smart move for us. And it is an important step into the future of industrial digital transformation. We are committed to blending software and hardware in new ways.
We will deliver unmatched experiences for all workers, integrating leading hardware from RealWear and Almer with world-class software from TeamViewer. The future is bright. The future is wearable.